What's going on, guys? In this video, I want to talk to you guys how you can absolutely explode your profits by 5, even 10x in just as little as 30 days. Now, again, a lot of you guys, you come from different walks of life as far as education and what strategy you're trading. I'm going to give you a quick example on one of the strategies that I like to personally trade. Again, in Evolution Traders, we trade a multiple different plethora of strategies and key levels and price action. But what we're going to show you here is, and what I really want to emphasize is that if you get really, really good, okay, if you get really, really good at trading one particular setup and then focus on consistency and actually building up gains in that one setup, you can start to scale that one setup into more cash. And I'm going to give you a couple of examples. So the setup that we're going to be using is a 20 SMA on a 5-minute time frame. This is going to be your setup candle here. Okay, so right there is going to be your setup candle. Why is that your setup candle? Well, you're noticing that price action is trading above the 20 period moving average. Great, right? So we got a little bit of a high of day there. Again, you're going to see we start to pull back, and we pull back into this 20 period moving average, yet we fail to confirm the break of high of day. Okay, so this here, this high of day, this pullback, and this failure to get back above the high of day is a key indicator that maybe we're looking for a short-term change in trend. So this is going to be your reason why candle. Your stop loss is going to be above your reason why candle. Your entry price is going to be below the reason why candle here. And we're looking for close to 1-to-1. Now, I think for the purpose of YouTube, I'm going to keep things very generic, very easy to follow. And we're going to look for micro contracts. We're going to look for a 1-to-1 price target. Now, we're looking for something around a 65-70% win rate. Okay, that's what we're looking for. Now, you're going to start to see your win rate percentages as you start to take these trades. Make sure that you're journaling and you're documenting the trades that you're taking, and then you're back testing them once the day is over. Okay, so the reason why I say that you can start to make an additional, or make an additional 5 to 10x if you just focus on one strategy, because a lot of times there's a lot of noise in trading. Okay, what's going on off the open? Okay, what's going on with the news? What's going on with the pullback? What's going on with the breakout? Are we going up? Are we going down? Forget about all that nonsense. What you need to focus on is one strategy. So let's say, for example, here we're trading 2 micro contracts. Okay, so we're not trading much. We're trading 2 MNQ contracts. Okay, this reason why candle here is a 36-point range candle. So your stop loss goes here. Your entry is going to go on a following candle below that reason why candle. We are looking at a maximum of $75 loss for each contract on the micro side we trade. So 75 times, let's say, 2 micro contracts is going to equal around $150 loss per trade. So a lot of times people will start to think, well, man, I don't really want to risk 35 points per setup. When you break it down on your position size wise and you trade 2 contracts, it's only $150 loss. Now, if you can't stomach a $150 loss on a prop firm account, we've got bigger problems, because even at this rate, it would take you over 15 trades, over 10 trades, closer to 20 trades before you actually blow up that account, losing $150 a pop. Now, if we're looking for a 65 to 70% win rate on this particular strategy, we can expect to lose 3, maybe even 4 trades for every 10 that we take. But if we're taking, 35 points in this particular example per trade, we're looking to make $150 on the downside on that particular trade, just trading 2 micros. Now, again, one big rule that I have, so again, I want to write this out, right? Because sometimes it's good to really write things out. If you can make over 25 points per trade, right? So over 25 points, stop trading. Okay, stop. And the reason why I say that is because trading is a game of probabilities. that, that next potential trade is never guaranteed to be a winner. And if we can pull 25 points out of the market, we can come in and, make a very, very good living for ourselves. And when we're focusing on one setup, let's say, for example, one setup, you get very comfortable and familiar with seeing price action do what it wants to do and identifying these trades where you can get in and make a crap ton of cash. Does that make sense? When you're looking at, oh, I need to be long here, and maybe I take a bounce here, and maybe I'll take this high of day break, and then, get stopped out here. And then, oh no, here's another high of day break there. And then, you get stopped out there. You're spinning your wheels in the mud. You're taking way too many setups. You just need to get comfortable with looking for one. Okay. Look for one. That's a $150 winner there on 2 micros. And over time, this is actually going to help you increase your profits by 5 to 10x, because over time, as that account balance grows, we're then going to look to scale. So one thing that a lot of traders don't understand is that scalability in trading is infinite. We can go from one to 2 contracts, from 2 to 3 contracts, from 3 to 4 contracts, depending on our account size. And over time, that 2 contract trade where we're looking to take here, which was a $150 winner on a 35-point take profit, now becomes something closer to, $225 if we're trading 3 contracts, right? Or $300 if we're trading 4 contracts. So it can go up and up and up. The only thing that's going to hold you back from scaling is that account balance. So in the beginning, we need to start small. We need to move things very, very slowly, and we need to focus on one key setup. Okay. And this is a strategy that is so simple, that gives such a mechanical stop loss and such a mechanical take profit with a little bit of an edge that is going to provide you with some wins in there where you can start to see success. And that's one thing that a lot of traders need to do in the beginning, is they need to see some success, and they need to see success often. And what that means is we need to win more trades than we're losing in the beginning. Once you get comfortable and you get your account balance up, then you can start looking for those 2R, 3R, 4R trades where, maybe you're going to lose 6 or 7 trades out of 10, but those 2 trades that you catch are going to make up for your whole week, right? We can do that once we have an account balance with some cushion. We can do that once we have some experience. We can do that once we start to add multiple setups to our overall system. But in the beginning, if you're really looking to increase your profits by 5 to 10x, you need to focus on one strategy, and you need to focus on taking a limited number of trades. That doesn't mean go out there and try to take 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades a day. Focus on taking one trade in the beginning. If it wins, stop trading. If it loses, stop trading. Come back tomorrow and do it again. Now, if you can't find the discipline and the patience to do that, you're only hurting yourself and prolonging your growth process. Okay. So in the beginning, take your time. It's not a race. What we're looking to do is get very, 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 very good at one thing. Okay. The better you are at one thing, the more money you're going to make. And over time, you can start to add more setups to your system. But in the beginning, we need to get extremely good at identifying, executing, and walking away on that one particular thing. So I hope this little bit of an example gave you guys a little bit of an insight. If you guys are looking to join Evolution Traders, where I update these setups in real time, where you can follow along with the team in the community and get access to all of the one-on-one coaching and access to the courses, definitely join. That link is down in the description box below. Again, it's cheaper to join than a cup of coffee each and every single day. So, it's not like it's going to break the bank. If you're really serious about trading, it's definitely going to be beneficial to you. Also, guys, we're extremely close to 8,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button on your way out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.